Hello everyone, Kilo again here. Today I will show you how to install and play Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles 2. First you need to download the game. I download the XCI files as 16 gigabytes, and you need to start your RYUJINX. I will start it again. Click right, run as administrator, and the games appear here. These are my settings. Okay, and let's click right and run application. I will toggle screen. Why my controller doesn't work? Again. Now it's what? Let's go full screen.
Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles 2.
This is the version 1.0. It doesn't have the
Those who have lost their lives will never return.
some updates or something like that. It's just the first version.
Should have kept your mouth shut, you impudent brat. The pain! What just happened? Feels as if I got burned where I was slashed.
Such disregard for human life. What's so amusing about this?
I think it's working well. Yes, have some glitches, but it's fine. Here is the guard.
Their Lord Muzan's place.
Tell me, what's the
LA.
human life to you?
My fingertips.
This is a dodge or something like that. Yes.
Is it me? Or is it Lord Muzan?
Okay. Light attack.
So annoying! Blood demon art!
Okay. I think the game is working well, guys. I just keep this because I don't like to wait. All of these stories.
Something feels off here. I'll have to keep my guard up. That must be the mountain.
Graphic is good for this game. I like it. We fix it's in the map.
This mountain is eerily quiet though, as if it's scared stiff. Nearly 4 months have passed since our mission on the Mugen train. Zenitsu doesn't throw as many
Hey
tantrums
guys, the
even on solo missions.
game working well. Here, front.
Okay, Inosuke on the other hand somehow became more hot-headed than before.
Cap.
This is interesting.
And that's it, guys, for today. This is the game. If you have questions or something like that, don't forget to put it. I will try this game to play it because it's looking pretty fun. And if I see some crashes or problems on this game, we will talk on the comments, okay? If you have problems or something like that, don't forget to put the answers in the comments. Okay guys, this is for today. Thank you for watching me, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And have a nice day guys. Bye bye.